Now today, you should have already watched the YouTube video on imperial units, just a few examples, okay? Now all I'm going to go through now is just some comparisons, and then we're going to do a quick question together, okay? So if I looked at this table, and we're going to look at how imperial units measure to metric units, okay? So we have the imperial unit down here on the left hand side, okay? So we're just going to look at length at the moment, so the imperial units to measure length. Now we've got inch, foot, yard and a mile, okay? Now if we go all the way to the other side and look at what this is approximately to metric units, okay? So this is roughly, okay? It's not an exact amount, it's more of an estimation, okay? So 1 inch is roughly, approximately 2.5 centimetres. Now 1 foot is roughly 30 centimetres. Now 30 centimetres is our standard ruler length, okay? Now 1 foot consists of 12 inches, okay? A yard, which is 3 feet, which is 3 lots of 12 inches, so 36 inches, is nearly 1 metre, okay? So it's just over 91 centimetres. And then obviously we have 1 mile, which is 1,760 yards, and that is the same as 1.6 kilometres, okay? Now, if we're looking at weight or mass, so what we can measure ourselves in, okay, we usually measure ourselves in the UK as stone, don't we, okay? So, the imperial units are ounce, pound and stone. Now, 1 ounce is the equivalent to 28 grams, and there's no smaller imperial units than 1 ounce. That's the smallest one, okay? So 1 pound is the equivalent to 453 grams, which is nearly half a kilogram, and 16 ounces are equal to 1 pound. Okay, and then stone, that is equal to 14 pounds, and 1 stone is 64 kilograms. Okay, and last of all, we're going to move on to capacity or volume. Now, here we have 1 pint or gallon. Now, 1 pint is the same as 568 millilitres, so just over half a litre, and there's no imperial unit that's smaller than a pint, okay? And then 1 gallon is 8 pints, okay, and that's 4.5 litres. Now, you can pause it here quickly just to have a look through that, okay? Now, let's have a look at this question. It says, Jack's house has 3 pints of milk delivered 4 times a week. How many litres of milk does Jack have delivered each week? Okay, so first of all, I need to find out what 1 pint of milk is, okay, in litres. So what is a pint? What is a pint? The same as a litre, okay? So 1 pint is 568 millilitres. Okay, so 3 pints is 3 lots of 568, okay, if we were to get that into litres. Now, you can do it in repeated addition, like I have here, or you can multiply 3 times 568. So 3 pints of milk equal 1,704 millilitres, or 1.704 litres. Now, it says, how many litres of milk does Jack have each week? Now, he has 3 pints delivered 4 times a week. So, we need to multiply 1,704 millilitres by 4. And our answer is 6,816. However, that's in millilitres, and our answer, it's asking us how many litres of milk does Jack have delivered each week. So I'd need to convert 6,816 into millilitres into litres, and what I'll do is divide it by 1,000. So 6,816 divided by 1,000 is 6.816 litres. Now that is our answer. Okay, now I would like you to go off and have a go at the questions I have set you, okay? Thank you.